The ballet opens in a rural settlement, the slowest changes of harmony placing us in the exalted stillness of dawn. A meditative pioneer woman looks out from her rocking chair towards the sprawling plains. We feel their vast expanse in the notes, which float upwards across a wide span of stacked chords. The pioneer woman reflects on the hardships of forging a dream in this promised land. But to a burst of leaping strings, a flock of lady worshippers bounce joyfully about a preacher. He stands on a tree stump, doubling as a makeshift pulpit. All are gathered to celebrate a wedding. Enter the groom-to-be, a farmer who wiggles his hips and stretches his legs to a jerky rhythm.